Ah, man, it looks like somebody beat the brakes off this thing. No idea who that would have been. On our crash, put English please, press 1. All right, everybody, welcome back. Today in this video, we're going to be putting the brakes back on our cross shaft, and we'll go from there. We might end up bolting everything up and getting the transmission 100% yes, just going to depend on how it goes. So let's get to it. So I decided to do the brakes the hard way. I unbolted the bands. So down in here, let me grab a light bulb. Light bulb! Bulb! Oh, there you are. See that? We got to bolt these back to there. So that's going to be fun. All right, we got one side put back together. Now we got to do the other side. All right, we got this brake shoe on. So now our next step is to mount these drums to the final drives. And to do that, I have to roll the machine with the tracks. So I devised myself an ingenious idea. So what I have here is the roxer with the winch. I've got my controller with the cord. So I can be back here. We'll put a bolt in and then winch it and put a bolt in, and that's my plan. And let's see how she goes. So for starters, I should be able to turn this. Now we have a roxer versus bulldozer in neutral drag test. Oh yeah. Alright, now we should be able to use the big heavy bumper on the roxer and just bump into this and push it straight back up in here. Alright, so we got them bolts in the final drives and everything. Now our next task is going to be to put the shafts in here for the steering clutch linkages. Alright, well, we got our steering clutch linkages on here. All went together super easy and smooth. I didn't video that work, but if you want to see that, go head over to LAOL's channel. And I'll put a link in the description you can click, and you'll see where they put it all together. I just don't feel like dealing with all that. So next we're going to put the shift rails on. Those covers go on the front, and then we are ready for an engine. So, chop chop. There we go, that is set in. Alright, now we just got to do these covers up front. There we go. There's one all finished up transmission. Oh, it's been a while. Oh man, it's been a while. This is finally ready for the engine to be put on. I'm excited. That's what we're going to do next. Thanks for watching. And if you want to watch the engine be put on, hit that subscribe button. That'll be coming up. That's been a long time coming and way too much money.